Hey, it's PMR. Sony is ruining my life by making yet another lens that challenges other lenses that I already have. Let's get into it. So I just bought the 24-50G lens. It's a f2.8 all the way through. It's got the focus hold button on the side. You can declick the aperture. It's got everything that all the new lenses have, pretty much. And it's really challenging my ownership of the 24G Compact Prime, the 40G Compact Prime, and the 50G Compact Prime, which I love. I love these lenses. Here's a closer look. But you can see the problem. I mean, the 24-50 is just a little bit bigger than one of these. And it doesn't weigh that much. And it's got so much versatility without having to take lenses off. And I do a lot of motorcycle riding, and I ride a lot out west where it's very dusty. And not having to change lenses is kind of significant if you're trying to keep your sensor clean. So I'm in a little bit of a quandary. I haven't made any decisions yet, but I would say that there's a very good chance that this lens, the 24 Compact Prime, will probably go away. Now the 40 I have a relationship with. I love this lens, love it. The 50 I use around my neck at football games for like pass plays and stuff. So it's probably safe because I'm not going to do that with the 24-50. But I don't know, man. If this thing turns out to be sharp, which I kind of assume it will, the G lenses kind of rival the GMs to a great extent. I don't know. I just don't know. I am really in a quandary, which is why I'm making this video. It's not about which is better. It's of the best options available in Sony, which is basically all their glass. Which do you prefer? It's not about best or one better than the other. It's about your preference at this point. And it's really nice that we have so much glass now that we can make these nuanced decisions between glass. I think the 24-50G is also going to challenge my use and ownership of the 24-70 GM too, which is kind of a lot to say. Some would call it blaspheming because it's such a great lens. But I'm looking at this as probably a potentially another great lens. And so that's where we are in Sony. It's wonderful. All these full frame options, incredible. Plus all the APS-C glass as well. I don't know what's going to happen, but I've got a vacation coming up with my wife this month in July here of 24. And we're going to go to Labrador. We're going to go up to Newfoundland, and we're going to do whale watching, and we're going to do, like, hopefully find some puffins to photograph and things like that. And I'm pretty excited about this. And I bought this lens kind of for that trip to use it as a test. So I could do landscape with it easily, you know, light portrait work, environmental portrait anyway. But it's a good all-arounder, and I may only bring the 300-2.8 and the converters and this. I'm not sure. If I bring another lens, it'll be the 70-200 f4G macro, which I love. If you already own the 24-50 2.8 G lens, let me know what you think of it, because I'm kind of thinking about what I'm going to do, and I'd love to hear your thoughts about it as well. But I sure wish they'd make some more of these Compact Primes. I'm very excited about the Compact Primes, but there's only 3 of them. We need an 85 or a 90. I'd love to have a 21 f2.8. That would be incredible. So if Sony, if you're watching or listening, maybe think about sliding that one into the setup. Thanks so much for watching. See ya.